Tyson's first day at the beach. Today is April 2nd, 2011. Here's Michelle, my bear, and Boo Boo, little Boo Boo. Boobalicious, Boobalicious. Hello, little Boobie. Hello. And here I am. Look, baby, you want to throw? Throw the stick?
Okay, I'll throw it.
You want to throw? It's a nice shot of your ass.
Yeah.
Out, Kasha, out.
Out.
Kasha, stop.
Out. Out.
Kasha.
Out.
Here's Tyson, checking things out.
What's the matter, Tyson?
He's just so happy.